Mastering Mobile Creativity, a comprehensive guide to building an engaging YouTube channel on your smartphone. Discover the secrets to building a successful YouTube channel directly from your mobile phone. This comprehensive guide provides step-by-step instructions, tips, and strategies to help you create an engaging and thriving YouTube presence. Setting up your YouTube channel. Download the YouTube app. Begin by downloading the YouTube app from your mobile device's App Store. It's available for both iOS and Android platforms. Sign in or create an account. Launch the YouTube app and sign in using your existing Google account or create a new one if you don't have an account yet. Access account settings. Tap on the profile icon located at the top right corner of the screen to access your account settings and channel preferences. Customize your channel's appearance by adding eye-catching channel art and a professional logo. Create a channel. From the account settings, follow the prompts to create your YouTube channel. Choose a name that represents your content and resonates with your target audience. Channel art and logo. Customize your channel's appearance by adding eye-catching channel art and a professional logo. These visual elements create a memorable and visually appealing brand identity for your channel. Channel description. Craft a compelling and concise channel description that effectively communicates what your channel is all about. Include relevant keywords to improve discoverability and entice potential viewers. Make sure your thumbnails effectively convey the essence of your video while captivating viewers and compelling them to click and watch. Enable channel trailer. Take advantage of the channel trailer feature to showcase your best content and give viewers a taste of what they can expect from your channel. Create a captivating video that leaves a lasting impression. Playlists and sections. Organize your videos into playlists and sections to enhance the viewer experience and make it easy for them to navigate your content. Create playlists based on themes or topics to help viewers find related videos easily. Congratulations! You've learned how to create an engaging YouTube channel using just your mobile phone. So, grab your mobile phone, unleash your creativity, and share your unique voice with the world through your captivating YouTube channel. For more details, search on Google. worlddawnofficial.blogspot.com. How much you make money from my YouTube channel? Subscribe my YouTube channel. You've learned how to create an engaging YouTube channel using just your mobile phone.